remember when it all began, walking like I always do. Nothing different, nothing except the incident. All I remember is a flash of light, and then darkness. I was scared then, unaware of the power that was inside me. No memories of who I am or where I came from. I will relearn this later in life. I need to find him. He was my hope of knowing what my name is and what I was doing there. The boy in the picture, my boyfriend at the time. I couldn't even remember his name. It made me angry. I guess nobody should make me angry. I woke up and there he was. I didn't know his name, but he was definitely the boy in the picture. He had his hand wrapped up in his own shirt as if he was injured, trying to bring me to safety. He told me my name. It was only a matter of time until I was told the whole story. I later learned that it was me who shocked him, and that I had this gift, as he called it. Together we started picking up the pieces in order for me to remember everything. He told me to start wearing gloves from now on. His hand was proof enough that he was hurt. It was painful, the most painful thing I could ever experience. I couldn't handle it. I had to let it all out. I killed him. It was too late. I tried to run towards you in hopes of saving you. You were gone. All I thought of is ways to bring you back. Your lifeless body just laid there as I murmured. I couldn't stop crying. I didn't know what I had done to save you. I was desperate. But I still cried because I didn't know you were still alive. I was about ready to say my goodbyes until you opened your eyes. Your eyes frightened me. The red color. The unpredictable moment. It wasn't normal. You spoke to me. Your voice seemed stoic and calm, as if nothing happened, but your behavior wasn't like you. You never slept again, only stalked. It was only until you attacked when I realized that I didn't save you after all. You were long dead. You were someone else. You were something else. You came after me. I still couldn't fully control my powers. I was scared, and it was as if my powers depended on what emotions I was feeling at the time. I realized that when I revived you, I was furious. I created this monster. Maybe there was a way to control my powers by concentrating on one single emotion at a time. Luckily, that was the case.